cheerful morning to my lovely tiny tots. How are you all? Good? Happy? I'm also good, beta. This is your mathematics class and I'm your mathematics teacher, and again I'm back to do some practical mathematics questions with you and to enhance your knowledge. Beta, till the moment we have completed activity 6 of chapter 4 addition, and today we are going to start activity 7. The types of additions we have done till the moment are horizontal addition and vertical addition. Both the types of additions we have done, and you can practice them with more and more sums. Today we are going to start activity 7, which deals with word problems, or we can say statement sums, or we can say story sums. Yes, now happy that ma'am will tell you some stories today. Yes, beta. We will get to know that how we can do story sums and how we will solve them. So, are you all ready? Open your maths book. Yes, beta, we are going to start the class. This is our activity 7 word problems. Beta, see, here some lines are written, and as we are dealing with chapter number 4 addition, so we need to do some calculations also. Now we know that for doing calculations we need numbers. So what we will do, while reading the statements and while understanding their meanings, we will circle out the numbers with which we will do calculation afterwards, so that it will be easy for you to understand that how we can pick numbers from the word problems. Let's start with first. A postman delivered 2537 letters in the month of March. Now what does this mean? एक पोस्टमैन है बेटा, डिलीवर. पोस्टमैन क्या करता है? व्हाट इज़ द वर्क ऑफ पोस्टमैन? पोस्टमैन सबके घर जाके उनके लेटर्स उनको पहुंचा कर आता है ना. तो वेयर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ पोस्टमैन. एक पोस्टमैन है जिसने मार्च के मंथ में 2537 लेटर्स डिलीवर किए एंड 3275 लेटर्स इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल. और अप्रैल के मंथ में उसने 3275 लेटर्स डिलीवर किए. हाउ मैनी लेटर्स वर डिलीवर्ड इन टोटल इन द 2 months? सो सी बेटा, वाई दिस हाउ मैनी in total is in blue? Because here you need to understand like what you exactly want to calculate. आपको calculate करना क्या है? How many means कितने, और कितने क्या letters were delivered in total. total in the 2 months. total उसने कितने letters deliver किए 2 months में. See, we have read that he delivered 2537 letters in the month of March and 3275 letters in the month of April. So now we want to know that how many letters he delivered in total in the 2 months. First of all, beta, circle the numbers which are given. Circle the numbers. Now beta, because we are doing word problems, so while solving them we also need to write some statements. हमें ऐसी statements लिखनी होती हैं कि हम उस statement के बाद जो नंबर लिख रहे हैं वो statement उस नंबर को define करे, वो statement बताए कि वो नंबर क्या है, उस नंबर का मीनिंग क्या है. नाउ हेयर वी आर हैविंग फर्स्ट नंबर 2537. नाउ व्हाट 2537 इज? 2537 क्या है बेटा? यस, 2537 लेटर्स हैं जो एक पोस्टमैन ने मार्च के मंथ में डिलीवर किए हैं. व्हाट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट कि उसने मार्च के मंथ में डिलीवर किए हैं. सो व्हाट वी विल राइट स्टेटमेंट फॉर दिस? लेटर्स डिलीवर्ड इन मार्च, मार्च में हमने कितने लेटर्स डिलीवर किए हैं, and then we will write down equals to, and then we will write the number 2537. And as you have learned, you always need to arrange the numbers in the proper columns as per their places. So first of all, we will make the columns of the places: ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So letters delivered in March is 2537. Now our second number is 3275. Now beta, what 3275 is? 3275 क्या है, क्या बता रहा है ये हमें? Yes, 3275 are the letters delivered in April. अप्रैल में जो लेटर्स हमारे डिलीवर हुए हैं वो 3275 है. सो हेयर we will write letters delivered in April. How many letters delivered in April? 3275. Now beta, third statement is what we want to calculate. हमें कैलकुलेट क्या करना है, हमें क्या कैलकुलेट करना है कि टोटल लेटर्स हमने कितने डिलीवर किए. सो थर्ड स्टेटमेंट वी विल राइट टोटल लेटर्स डिलीवर्ड. नाउ टोटल, टोटल बेटा टोटल का मीनिंग ही होता है ऑल. टोटल मीन्स ऑल. सो whensoever the question is asking you to get total, so that means you need to add, because हम total add करके ही बता सकते हैं. So we will add these numbers. 5 plus 7 is 12. Now it is a 2-digit number, so 2 we will write here and 1 we will go as carry. Now 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So 1 we will write here and 1 will go as carry. Now 2 plus 5 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. So we will write here. Then beta we will add 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So we will write 5 here. Now beta, as the question was given in the statement form, so we will give answer also in the complete statement form. Answer is the postman delivered 5,812 letters in the 2 months. The postman delivered 5,812 letters in the 2 months. Do question number 2 and question number 3 yourself. Now beta, please open mental maths corner. Question number 1 is tick the correct answer. A part is 5,246 plus 1000 equals. Now beta, it is asking us to add 1000, and we know we add tens, hundreds and thousands like horizontal addition. So it is asking us to add 1000. That means we need to search the digit which is at thousands place. For that we will write places over the digits: ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So we will add, now thousands place digit is 5, so we will add 5 to 1, and 5 plus 1 is 6, and rest of the digits will remain same. So our answer is 6,246. So we will take here. Now beta, B part is 5,493 plus 3,954 equals to blank plus 5,493. Yes beta, here we are using third property of addition, that 5,493 and 3,954 are what? They are addends. So if the order of addends will get changed, it will not affect the sum. So if 5,493 is written after, so what will come here? Right, 3,954. Because if we will add same numbers only, then only we will get the same answer. So here the same number will come. So we will take 3,954. Now C part is beta dash plus 100 is equal to 8654. It is asking beta in which number we should add 100 to get 8654. Now it is asking about 100. So we need to search the hundreds place digit. So we will write places over the digits, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So now at hundreds place, which digit is there? 6. Now in which number we will add 100? So we will get this answer. Beta, we are having answer and we need to identify the number which was earlier there. So we will, and it is 100. So we will subtract 1 from 6 and it is equals to 5. So our answer is 8544. So we will take here 8544. For your reference, you can even subtract. 4 minus 0, 4, 4 minus 0, 4, 6 minus 1, 5 and 8 will remain the same. So 8544. Kids, today we have done activity 7 of chapter 4 addition and we have done question number 1 of mental maths corner. So your homework is to complete activity 7 and question 1 of mental maths corner in your book. Please be safe at your home. Take care of yourselves. We will meet soon and till then, goodbye.